Okay, Jason, come over towards me. Yeah, that's good enough. Just make sure your handbrake's on while I'm filling. So just loading the dumper, always making sure where I've got a banksman beside me, always looking around. We hear no pedestrians coming, nothing like that. As Jason, the dumper driver, he is allowed to sit in this cab as we have a cab-to-cab. This is what makes these ones so good now. The driver has to leave the cab whilst loading. You see the protecting bars are on the front, it stops me from hitting the screen of the cab.
Suspend operations, we have a pedestrian walking through. Please stop for the moment.
Yeah, hands are off controls, let the pedestrian walk through.
Pedestrian has now passed.
Okay, resuming with loading the dumper. Again, always making sure no one's around me. Going down to always lift my bucket out like this, so if my machine does go forward, my bucket will be the counterbalance for me. Safely down, bring the bucket in, carry on. Once I'm safely out of the way, Jason will come round and go up the slope. Okay, what you do now, Darren, Jason, I want you to turn your seat round and come back down the way you come up, but facing direction of travel.
You turn right first because you're a bit close to the left-hand side.
So what you're going to see now again is you're going to see the removal of the seat. If Jason will turn his seat around again and go in out of direction of travel. You see the seat's going to turn again, it'll bring yourself around, the driver never has to leave the cab no more. You'll turn the seat back round to the direction of travel, you'll be able to drive straight up to it now and tip the stuff where it come out from. Keep going, keep going, keep going, about there. So there we have the new Wacker Neuson, emergency stop, up an incline, down an incline, loaded and unloading the Wacker Neuson and watching the swivel dual fuel work.